In a town famous for its tall towers, there lived two brothers named Julian and Silas. Both were master clockmakers. They inherited their father's shop, but they had very different ideas about the future of time. Julian loved the heavy gold clocks of the past. "People have used these clocks for 100 years, Julian said. "They are beautiful, loud, and very expensive. We must never change our style. This is a business concept called status quo bias, the belief that what worked yesterday will always work tomorrow." Julian spent weeks making one single clock. It was as big as a refrigerator. He used the finest wood and the heaviest bells. "This is a masterpiece," he said. But the town was changing. People were moving into smaller apartments. They were traveling more. They didn't have room for a giant, loud clock. Silas, the younger brother, spent his time at the train station. He watched the travelers. He saw them looking at their wrists or pulling small round objects from their pockets. "Brother," Silas said, "people want to take time with them. They don't want to leave it at home in a big box. We should make the clocks smaller. We should make them portable." Julian laughed. "A clock in a pocket? That is a toy, not a business. We are grand clockmakers, not toy makers." Silas decided to start his own small workbench in the back of the shop. He practiced the art of miniaturization. He made the gears tiny. He made the bells soft. He put the clock on a leather strap so a person could wear it on their arm. This is called a pivot, when a business changes its product to meet what the customers actually want. One winter, a great exhibition was held in the city. Julian brought his giant gold clock. It took 4 men to carry it. It was beautiful, but nobody bought it. "It is too big for my house," one woman said. "It is too expensive to ship," a merchant said. Silas brought 10 small wrist clocks. By noon, they were all gone. The army officers wanted them to coordinate their marches. The doctors wanted them to check pulses. The teachers wanted them to stay on schedule. That night, Julian looked at his giant, silent clock. "I made the best clock in the world," he cried. "Why did I fail?" Silas put a small, ticking watch in his brother's hand. "You made a clock for a world that no longer exists, Julian. In business, you cannot just be a master of the past. You must be a student of the present."